Creating a safe sanctuary, home safety essentials. Your home should be your sanctuary, but it can harbor unexpected dangers that threaten your family's well-being. From physical security vulnerabilities to fire hazards and everyday risks, these hidden threats can lead to property damage, injuries, or worse. Creating a safer living environment requires attention to several key areas. By taking a proactive approach to home safety, you can identify and mitigate risks before they cause harm. This presentation will guide you through essential safety measures that can transform your home into the secure haven it should be. We'll explore practical strategies for physical security, fire prevention, accident reduction, and emergency preparedness. Each section provides actionable tips you can implement immediately to protect what matters most. Physical security, keeping intruders out. Secure entry points. Install deadbolts on all exterior doors and reinforce door frames with strike plates. Consider smart locks that alert you when doors are opened. For windows, add secondary locking mechanisms and security film to prevent shattering. Security systems. Modern security systems offer 24/7 monitoring, motion detection, and smartphone alerts. Position cameras at front, back doors, and vulnerable entry points. Test your alarm system monthly and replace batteries annually. Visibility and landscaping. Install motion-activated lighting around property perimeters. Trim shrubs below window height to eliminate hiding spots. Consider thorny plants beneath windows as natural deterrents while maintaining clear sight lines to entrances. Physical security forms your first line of defense against break-ins and unwanted intrusions. By implementing these measures, you create multiple barriers that deter potential intruders and provide crucial minutes for response if breached. Remember that consistency matters. Even the best security features fail when not regularly used and maintained. Fire safety, prevention and response. Number 1. Detection systems. Install interconnected smoke detectors on every level and inside each bedroom. Test monthly, replace batteries annually, and replace units every 10 years. Add carbon monoxide detectors near sleeping areas and fuel-burning appliances. Number 2. Fire suppression. Keep ABC-rated fire extinguishers accessible in kitchens, garages, and near fireplaces. Ensure family members know how to use them following the PASS method: pull, aim, squeeze, sweep. Number 3. Prevention habits. Never leave cooking unattended, keep space heaters away from flammable items, and avoid overloading electrical outlets. Have heating systems professionally inspected annually. Number 4. Escape planning. Create and practice a fire escape plan with 2 ways out of every room. Designate a meeting point outside and practice both day and night scenarios. Fire emergencies can escalate from small incidents to life-threatening situations in under 3 minutes. Proper preparation dramatically increases survival odds by ensuring early detection and providing crucial time to escape. Remember that prevention through mindful habits remains the most effective strategy. Accident and hazard prevention, everyday risks. Number 1. Floor safety. Secure loose rugs with non-slip pads or double-sided tape. Remove cords from walkways or secure them with cord covers. Keep floors clear of toys, books, and other obstacles, especially in high-traffic areas. Number 2. Bathroom safety. Install textured anti-slip strips in bathtubs and showers. Use non-slip bath mats with rubber backing. Consider grab bars for additional stability during transfers, beneficial for all ages. Number 3. Stairway protection. Ensure all stairways have secure handrails on both sides when possible. Mark the first and last steps with contrasting tape for visibility. Keep stairs well lit with switches at both top and bottom. Number 4. Electrical hazards. Check for frayed wires regularly. Use GFCI outlets in bathrooms, kitchens, and outdoor areas. Avoid running cords under rugs or through high-traffic areas where they can wear down. Falls remain the leading cause of home injuries, accounting for nearly 8 million emergency room visits annually. The most effective prevention strategy combines environmental modifications with awareness of risk factors. Small improvements like better lighting and removing tripping hazards can drastically reduce accident potential. Child safety, protecting young children. Number 1. Secure storage. Install child-proof locks on cabinets containing cleaning supplies, medications, and sharp objects. Use drawer latches in kitchens and bathrooms. Store household chemicals in original containers, never in food containers. Number 2. Small children areas. Use safety gates at the top and bottom of stairs and to block access to dangerous areas. Cover electrical outlets with safety caps or outlet covers. Secure furniture and TVs to walls to prevent tipping. Number 3. Emergency response. Keep a well-stocked first aid kit easily accessible but out of children's reach. Post poison control numbers 1-800-222-1222 near all phones. Take infant, child CPR and first aid courses. Children under 5 are particularly vulnerable to home injuries due to their curiosity and developing motor skills. Creating layers of protection through childproofing addresses their natural exploration while preventing access to dangerous items and areas. Remember that supervision remains the most critical safety measure, as children's abilities change rapidly. Regularly reassess your home's safety features as your child grows and develops new skills. Senior safety, supporting aging in place. Aging brings unique safety challenges that can be addressed through thoughtful home modifications. Install grab bars in bathrooms near toilets and in shower areas. Consider shower seats and handheld shower heads for easier bathing. Ensure lighting is bright and consistent throughout the home, eliminating shadows that can cause visual confusion. Replace round doorknobs with lever handles for easier operation with arthritis. Create a centralized emergency contact system with large print numbers or programmed speed dials. Consider medical alert systems that allow seniors to call for help if they fall or experience an emergency when alone. Emergency preparedness. Ready for anything. Number 1. Family emergency plan. Create and practice evacuation routes and meeting points. Number 2. Emergency supply kit. Water, non-perishable food, medications, first aid. Number 3. Communication strategy. Contact lists, battery radios, emergency charging. Number 4. Important documents. Secured copies of insurance, medical, and identification. Natural disasters and extended emergencies can strike with little warning. FEMA recommends preparing to be self-sufficient for at least 72 hours. Create a comprehensive emergency kit containing 1 gallon of water per person per day, non-perishable food, medications, flashlights, batteries, and a hand crank radio. Develop a family communication plan including an out-of-area contact person, as local calls may be difficult during disasters. Document and practice multiple evacuation routes from your home and neighborhood. Store copies of important documents in waterproof containers and consider digital backups and secure cloud storage. Outdoor and entry safety, beyond the front door. Number 1. Pathway safety. Maintain even walking surfaces free of cracks. Number 2. Outdoor lighting. Illuminate all walkways, entries and steps. Number 3. Perimeter security. Secure fencing for pools and hazardous areas. Number 4. Emergency visibility. Ensure house numbers are clearly visible. The safety zone of your home extends beyond interior walls to include entryways, yards, and the property perimeter. Regular inspection and maintenance of outdoor spaces prevents accidents while enhancing security. Inspect walkways for cracks or uneven surfaces that could cause trips and falls, especially after freeze-thaw cycles. If you have a swimming pool, install a 4-sided fence with self-closing, self-latching gates. Make sure house numbers are large, reflective, and easily visible from the street for emergency responders. Consider emergency access options if you live in a gated community or have electronic entry systems that could fail during power outages. Summary and next steps. Making your home safer. Number 1. Conduct a safety audit. Walk through your home room by room with a safety checklist, identifying hazards in each area. Note issues that need immediate attention versus longer-term projects. Include family members to gain multiple perspectives on potential risks. Number 2. Prioritize critical issues. Address high-impact, low-effort improvements first. Test smoke detectors, secure rugs, install nightlights in hallways, and remove tripping hazards. These quick wins provide immediate safety benefits while you plan for more complex improvements. Number 3. Schedule regular reviews. Create a seasonal home safety maintenance calendar. Include battery replacements, alarm testing, emergency kit updates, and practice drills. Regular reviews ensure safety measures remain effective as family needs change. Number 4. Build safety habits. Develop daily routines that incorporate safety checks, testing water temperature before baths, removing tripping hazards during evening cleanup, and checking that doors and windows are locked before bedtime. Home safety is an ongoing process rather than a one-time project. By systematically addressing risks and developing safety habits, you create multiple layers of protection for your family. Remember that even small improvements can significantly reduce accident potential and enhance your peace of mind. Take action today by identifying 3 immediate safety improvements you can implement this week. Involve all household members in both planning and execution to build a culture of safety awareness that becomes second nature over time.